Hello, this is William Chung in Toronto. I'm going to show you how easy it is to import contacts from your Evernote Hello account into your Salesforce as leads. I'm going to do this using an app I built, HelloLeads, which is running on the cloud at helloleads.herokuapp.com. And because this is a web app, you can run it from anywhere, like your phone or from the desktop, like I'm doing now for this demo. And all you need to do to set up the app is to register. So let's click the register link here. And first you have to authorize the app HelloLeads to access your Evernote account. In my case, that's Forever Chung. So I'm going to authorize. And you see here's an email from Evernote telling me that I'm connected to HelloLeads. And the next thing you're asked to do is to authorize the app HelloLeads to your Salesforce account. In my case, here's my Salesforce account, and I'm going to click Allow for HelloLeads. Okay, congratulations, William Chung. So the app gets the user's name from the Salesforce authorization, and it tells you that now contacts you tag with #import will be imported from your Evernote into Salesforce as leads. And this import is automatic just as long as you tag your contacts with #import, and I'll show you how to do that. And actually, the first thing you notice is in your Evernote account under the tags, there's this new #import tag, and this was added automatically by my app, HelloLeads, when you authorize the app to your Evernote. So let's say that you scanned in or you entered a bunch of contacts in Evernote Hello, like I have these contacts here. Actually, I synchronize my Evernote Hello contacts with this notebook. So these are all the entries from my Evernote Hello, and all you need to do is just tag your contact like this, for example. So I tag this contact with #import, and this contact actually scanned my wife's business card last night. 1:11 a.m. last night, February 20th, using her iPhone into Evernote Hello. So now let's go to Salesforce and refresh the leads. And you see that the contact is added automatically as a lead, right? So there's the name, the company, the title, phone number, right? These all match what's from the contact from Evernote Hello. And this is a LinkedIn URL in the contact. Now, in Salesforce for the website, I use the LinkedIn URL if it's available, and if it's not, then I use the Twitter URL, and if that's not available, then I use the Facebook URL. So I try to fill out something useful for you in the website field for this contact. And you also see that in the description of the lead, there's the meeting information, like we met at this address in Toronto at this time, right? Wednesday, February 20th, 6:11. Now this is UTC time, which that time matches like this time, which is Eastern time. Okay, and you see that for the created by field, it's created by William Chung. So this lead is assigned to me since I entered this lead in Evernote Hello, and it was created. The lead was created right now, right, February 20th, 7:45 p.m. That's now basically. And the lead status is open, not contacted, and the lead source is Evernote Hello. And you also notice in the description I include a link to Evernote. So from Salesforce, at any time you can actually just click this link to see the original source contact in Evernote. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go back to Evernote, and okay, this contact I entered in manually in Evernote Hello, and it has a few more fields available than my wife's contact info. This one has the Twitter link and the LinkedIn. It has a Facebook link as well. Okay, so let's tag this with hash import. Okay, so now if we go to the leads, you see that there's Glenn Marshall. And for the company name, I parsed that out from the email address, right? So in this case, it's just gmail.com. And the website, I'm using the LinkedIn URL since it's available. You see again, the lead source is Evernote Hello. For the description, there's the meeting information, right? We met at this place in Toronto on this date, Monday, February 18th. That's just when I entered this contact in Evernote Hello. And I also have a contact social section here because this contact has a Twitter link handle and also a Facebook handle, right? So you can use these links to see the feed, social feed for this contact of yours. And again, there's a link to the note in Evernote, the contact, if you want to just jump there from Salesforce, right? So you can like get the picture, for example, the photo. And again, the created by is created by me, so the lead is going to be assigned to me, right, the lead owner. And yeah, it's created now, like February 20th, 7:48 p.m. That's right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to manually create a new contact in Evernote Hello, and using my iPad. So I'll just pause the video for a bit while I do that. Okay, I'm back. So I entered in a contact in Evernote Hello using my iPad. Let's refresh Evernote here just to see if okay, 1 minute ago. Okay, so Ric Flair here. Okay, and okay, and the other way you can actually import your contacts into Salesforce as leads is you don't necessarily have to use the import tag. What I did in this case in my iPad when I entered in the note for the meeting, right? Like this meeting right now, 7:50 p.m. February 20th, I entered in hash import after the note. So just as long as like there's a hash import in the body of the note or the contact, the contact's note field here, it's going to be entered into Salesforce. So okay, let's go to Salesforce, and I'll go to leads, and you see there's Ric Flair at H.com, 16-time world champ, right? So let's drill down. Okay, so I'm still the lead owner here. So Ric Flair at H.com, the company, and the email, Ric Flair at H.com. Lead source Evernote Hello, and we met at this address. And the meeting notes here are the meeting notes that I entered in my iPad. So styling and profiling at Moby Squad, and there's the hash import. Actually, I'm gonna take this out in the code because this doesn't need to be in the lead, right? But that's that's going to be no problem. And again, if I want to, I can just there's a link to the note, so I can jump to the note from Salesforce. So there's Ric Flair, right? Styling, profiling, and movie squad. Okay, so that's the demo of my app, HelloLeads, and I think it's the easiest way that you can get your contacts from Evernote Hello into Salesforce. Thanks.